Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on the most exciting tech releases. Today, we have something special for you, the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max. This highly anticipated device is packed with impressive features and offers a premium experience at an affordable price. Let's dive in and explore what makes the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max stand out from the crowd. The Nokia Note 14 Pro Max boasts a stunning 6.8-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. This ensures a sharp and vibrant visual experience, perfect for watching movies, playing games, or browsing your favorite content. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Nokia Note 14 Pro Max features a groundbreaking 200MP quad camera setup, which includes a wide-angle lens, a periscope telephoto lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens. With this versatile camera system, you can capture stunning photos and videos with incredible detail and clarity. Powering the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, this device can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Battery life is always a concern for smartphone users, but with the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max, you don't have to worry. It comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 50W wired charging. This means you can spend more time using your device and less time waiting for it to charge. The Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is also equipped with the latest Android 14 operating system, providing you with a smooth and intuitive user experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, this device has something for everyone. In terms of design, the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is sleek and elegant. It features a glass front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and an aluminum frame for added durability. The device is also IP68 dust and water resistant, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is priced at $349 in the United States. However, please note that prices may vary depending on your location. So, if you're in the market for a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that won't break the bank, the Nokia Note 14 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more updates on its release date and availability. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.